Well, it's good to have an accountability partner, right? And you're with them
Oh,
every day.
absolutely.
It's huge. And then that's what I do like about partnerships is you're held accountable to do something, right?
Yeah.
At the beginning, because you don't want to let X person down. When there's no employees or anything, and you haven't even developed that self-accountability yet.
Yeah. Yeah. The other part to it too is that we both run similar businesses. So I've been in the real estate sales business longer. So obviously I have just a little bit more experience, a higher clientele that I market to, which is like a larger base. So I typically have a few more deals than Cade going on at a time with the real estate sales, but I've noticed that it's helped slingshot him into more deals. And at the same time, Cade and I have been doing wholesaling almost the exact same time, and I've seen Cade probably do more deals than I have. And so like Cade came back.
Shout out Nate.
Yeah, shout out to Nate. Well, Cade came back with those 3 deals from a seller named Nate, and I like looked in the mirror and I was like, hold up, Cade has like 4 different or 5 different investment things going right now, and how many do I have? 0. Well, then it's like immediately I just locked up a contract yesterday, or actually this morning, and it's crazy how you watch the other person's success and it forces you to slingshot your momentum, and it's continued to rise us both up faster than we could have done alone.
Yeah, we're looking at, I mean, same thing happens with me and Michael Butler, right? Where it's a subtle competition, or even Pritchard, even though Pritchard's at a higher level than me, like you still have to look at like, oh, he's got this going on.
Yeah.
Well, I better pick up my thermostat or my momentum just so I can keep on pushing.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
And it's good. I like that about our community, right? Because there's a handful of us that we're all friends and we can do that with each other.
Right. And at the end of the day, like, just like you said, it is a competition. Like, I mean, I'm not saying that I'm out here to try to like beat you, but
you're out here to win.
I'm out here to beat you in my head. Like the same way that like I've had sellers that I'm like, hey, they need a different investor to come in and make an offer. And I've literally called you on the phone to make an offer. And I know that you do the same with me. It's like, I'm not here to take advantage of you or like to like screw you over. I'm here to help us all win. But you guys drive me just as much as anybody in my office, right?
Oh yeah, and I mean it's a weird dynamic, right? Because you want to win. You guys are competitive. You want to win, but at the same time, I have no problem helping you guys reach your goals because I know you'll help me reach mine.
And there's so much stuff out there that like I think what we've all learned over the last 4 years is that like there's always going to be sellers that we compete with, but there's always going to be sellers that you just get by yourself, and it's like you don't have to take food from another guy's plate in order to eat. Like there's so much stuff going around that you just need to do the work that everybody knows that you need to do, and it's all going to work.